So guys, I want to show you a little side hustle thing that I'm working on. It's kind of a passion project, something that I've always been interested in. And I'm starting this new Facebook group, and because I'm obsessed with Facebook groups and how quickly they grow. But anyways, a long time ago, I bought this site, this Instagram page, and it's called Quotes I Trust, and it has 162,000 followers. I haven't updated it in a significantly long time, right? I haven't been involved with it, but I want to revive some sort of motivational quotes type page, and I'm going to do that with a Facebook group. So take a look here. I actually started it, and it's let me see, where is it? Right here. It's called Motivational Quotes for Entrepreneurs. Take a look at this. So I just started it, and you can see there's only one member because I haven't told anybody about it. You guys are actually the first to hear about this. But anyways, you can see the top logo. I made that in Canva. Each of those images was made with DALL-E 3. Or no, it wasn't DALL-E 3. It was Leonardo.ai, I believe. Anyways, so these are all entrepreneurs: Warren Buffett, Elon Musk, of course, Tony Robbins. This is Alex Hormozi, and then Robert Kiyosaki on the far right. But anyways, so what's interesting is that with ChatGPT, we now have the tools to really scale these types of products. And I just want this video to inspire you guys, or maybe give you some ideas or whatever. But what interested me as well is when you go on Facebook and you search for motivational quotes, there's this group. They have 904,000 members. Now, they were at 880,000, I don't know, a couple weeks ago. But if you click on any Facebook group, and if you go to the About section or Learn More on the far right, and this is on desktop, if you scroll down, you can see right here, so they did 375 new posts. And now a lot of that is coming from people who are members of the group. There's a lot of people posting their own motivational quotes. But take a look at this, 904 total members, 904,000 total members. So it's a year old, and they've already grown to 900,000 people. Pretty crazy, right? So I thought, well, shoot, can't we just duplicate what they're doing, or can we at least compete with them, right? So here's how we're going to do it. Now, let me show you a ChatGPT. Now, you may not have this yet. I was just lucky enough to get it, but DALL-E 3, and you have to have Chat Plus, so you got to pay the $20 a month. I keep looking over here because I used to have my webcam, and now I forgot my webcam's over here. Sorry, guys. But anyways, so ChatGPT, I was able to get the DALL-E integration. So here I have, and we are on DALL-E 3. So once you get this, you guys will be able to blow this up. But if you do have it, you could probably just copy me or do something similar or whatever. You could do something on parenting tips. You could do so many different niches, fishing tips, or any type of tips type of things. But take a look at this. So in ChatGPT, right, you can get the quotes. So take a look. I did a chat, or I asked, what did I ask it? So take a look what I said. I said, I need 25 motivational quotes for Facebook posts. The quotes can be from any of the following people: Tony Robbins, Elon Musk, Warren Buffett, Alex Hormozi, or Robert Kiyosaki. Now, certainly, now take a look. So they gave me all of these cool quotes that they've done. Now, we can scale this bigger. I just wanted to test it out with ChatGPT. But take a look. So Warren Buffett, risk comes from not knowing what you are doing. Or anyways, you could take any of these quotes. Now we can use DALL-E 3 to create the image. We don't need to go hire a freelancer. We don't need to do it in Canva. We don't need to do any of that crazy stuff. So take a look. So setting goals is the first step in turning the invisible into visible. So let's just try this out, and we'll do this live. I haven't actually done this one yet. So I'm going to copy that quote, and we're going to use DALL-E 3 and see what kind of image it can produce for us. Let's do new chat. And then I'm going to make sure I'm on DALL-E 3. Perfect. And so let's ask it to create us an image that we can use for a Facebook post. Okay, so take a look. I actually had to write the prompt up. So I'm going to paste the prompt that I wrote. So can you give me a square image for this motivational quote and add the text to it? So setting goals is the first step in turning the invisible into visible. So let's just see what DALL-E 3 can come up with. So there it goes. Now it's creating its own prompt. Take a look at that. Photo of a person's, here we'll read that later, but let me pause it. So there it is. It's actually writing the prompt, and now DALL-E 3 is going to create the image. So you can see it tried, and it did a fairly good job. The words are a little messed up here. So this one, setting goals, ISE, first step in. Okay, so it didn't quite do a good job, but we can ask it to do it again. And let's see what happens. Try again, please. The text in the image is misspelled. Did I spell that right? Is misspelled correct? I hope so. It'll figure it out. All right, let's see what it does. There we go. It's writing its own prompt. And I'll just pause the video and let it generate. So here it is. Now, of course, it messed up on the text, so it's not doing a good job, but we have a lot of potential. They're going to get this right eventually. So what we could do is, I believe we could use a plugin. We could use Zapier as a plugin, and then we could have it take this image, post it to later.com or Hootsuite or something like that, and then we could schedule posts out, and you could pretty much automate an entire Facebook channel, which we'll explore, not in this video, but we will explore how to do that. So anyways, we are getting somewhere. Now, I did another quote earlier, so take a look at this one, and it did it correctly. So here's one. Now take a look at these examples. The road to success and the road to failure, oh, he misspelled failure, are almost exactly the same. So exactly is misspelled there as well. But let's take a look at this one. The road to success and the road failure. So it's getting better, but the point is I'm getting this on the map. I'm getting you guys to start thinking and calculating in your brain, like how can I use this technology? What else can I do? Now, what we could also check out, let's check out another AI site and see if they could do a better job. Okay, so here I am on Ideogram AI. Now, these guys are probably the best at adding text to an image. Let's just see what they do. Now, you can actually choose your size. So we're just going to do 1:1, which is a square. We'll click Generate. And actually, there were some filters we could have applied to that, but I didn't. But let's just see what happens. Okay, so they're still having problems with this, but take a look. But anyways, this has so much potential. As soon as they get this text working, guys, this is going to be amazing. So just start thinking of ideas of what you could do to create this content. And you can also be posting this to Instagram, of course, or and then eventually you can create videos. Like the video creation process is going to be pretty awesome. So we could probably, in the future, we could use a quote and then turn it into a video, which would be pretty sweet, right? So we could start making short form content. You could do TikToks, of course. You could do Reels or Instagram posts, stories, whatever. You can do all that kind of cool stuff. But anyways, I just wanted to kind of give you some visibility and just get your mind thinking of possibilities. Now, the goal of this group, if this Facebook motivational quotes for entrepreneurs. Now, so here's how we're going to monetize the group, right? Because why do you want to spend all this time building content or creating content if you don't have a way to monetize it? So the monetize method we're going to do now with this group is I'm going to create a newsletter or a list from this group. So in the about section, I'll add a URL here, and that'll be to a form where I collect your email, and then we're going to put you into a newsletter. So then we'll send out motivational things. We'll show you. I'll probably send out information from my side hustle group. But anyways, if you're interested in this Facebook group and watching me grow it, that might be interesting to you. I'll put a link in this below this page or post, wherever I put it. But anyways, this is a cool side hustle idea. And then eventually we'll figure out how to scale this to a big level, and maybe we can get to millions of users or followers on TikTok or whatever. So there's a lot of potential here. And I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video, which isn't so quick, 8 minutes long. But anyways, we'll see you guys in the next video. So until they get the text fixed, I had another idea. What we could do is let's just have it not add the text, and it'll just build the background image. Then if we were motivated, we could add that text in Canva. So we can do it manually, I guess. So can you give me a square image for this motivational quote? So I modified the prompt, and then please don't add any text to the image. And let's just see what it comes up with. So take a look. There you go. That's what it came up with. So this is setting goals is the first step in turning the invisible into the visible. Take a look. So any one of these would be pretty dang cool, right? So those would be cool backgrounds, and then you can put the text overlaid on it. So we're going to keep working on this. Eventually, we're going to get it right. But yeah, anyways, follow this thread. And if you want to join that motivational quotes group and watch it grow over time, feel free. It'll be in the description.